Now that is Texas comfort food right there. Let's come in here and look at that. We got crunchy chicken, perfectly cooked. Oh wow. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing chicken fried chicken. Woof, finger licking. Chicken fried chicken. Okay, this is a recipe from a friend, Susan, and it's influenced by her. I've changed it, as you do. You always change everything. So we're going to do chicken fried chicken. It's a Texas comfort food, apparently, but it's from the south of the US of A. Now we're going to make the country gravy, the creamy country gravy, and we'll show you how to make it two ways. We'll make it the traditional way, we'll make it a quicker way, easier way, a way that everybody can make without any fuss or palaver. The choice is yours. They both taste exactly the same. One's quicker and easier, one's more traditional. Let's show you how to do it. Okay, in here, empty pan on the flame. Oh, on the flame. Now you want some bacon fat, butter, oil, anything like that, bacon grease, oil in there with our bacon fat. And in my case, butter. I like a little bit of butter in this. Okay, we want a flame on. Now we're going to do the traditional way first. Most of the ingredients are the same apart from those two. That's it. So I'm going to heat up our pan. So when you've got your bacon grease, oil or fat or butter, whatever, heated in there, with about 2 tablespoons of flour. All-purpose flour, regular flour, plain flour, whatever you know it by. A little stir on there, look. A little cook on there. Don't stress about it, it is quite easy to make. So once you've had a little bit of a cooking on there, in with your milk. Now obviously it depends on how much you're going to make, so how much milk you're going to use. We want to stir on there. We're sticking roughly the same as you would make any country gravy. We want about a teaspoon of black pepper, or a little bit of salt. Salt to taste, black pepper mandatory. Onion powder, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Garlic powder, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. And give it a stir up. Now that is a gravy already. That's a lovely thick gravy. Smells amazing. Very quick, easy to do. To thin it out or to make more, chuck in some more milk. That's it. Simple as that. Okay, that is our country gravy there, look. Look at that, smells fantastic. So that is with flour. Different way, milk in pan. Corn flour or corn starch. A heaped tablespoon. Flame on. Pepper in. Mandatory. Salt to taste. Garlic powder, 1/4. Onion powder, 1/4. Whisk. So this is going to be the same result, and we'll tip some more milk in. So just bring that up till it starts to thicken. Okay, there you are, there's your thick sauce. We're going to do exactly the same. Nice little stir on in there, look, it's starting to thicken up. And then we're going in there with our bacon fat, our butter, everything that went in that other one. Stir it in And that is exactly the same as that one. And that is exactly the same as that one, just a little bit easier without cooking off a flour roux. So the choice is yours, which one you want to use. I'm going to chuck that in there and mix them both together. Might as well not waste it. Nice little stir in. And that is our country sauce for our chicken. Okay, before we get on with the chicken then, we got a couple of little things to do. I've got some buttermilk in here and I've got a couple of eggs. And I'm just going to give that a beat up and stir it in with the buttermilk. Now for all the people who don't have buttermilk, ordinary milk 1 cup, 1 tablespoon of vinegar or even lemon juice. Leave it about 5 minutes, you have buttermilk. That's a simple way. So get that in there, that's our buttermilk and our egg mixture. We're going to dip our chicken in that. Now I've got 2 cups of flour in here. I was going to put a cup and a half, but I decided to put more in because I'm going to change the recipe. Want to flavour it up. We want about half a teaspoon actually of garlic powder. We want half a teaspoon of onion powder. Cayenne we want about quarter of a teaspoon, unless you like it really spicy. Optional ingredient which I'm going to put in is smoked paprika. I'm going about half a teaspoon. I want some salt, because there's no flavour in here. Salt to taste, up to you. So I've got about half a teaspoon there actually. And we want black pepper, about a teaspoon. And that is going to be our seasoning for our chicken. Right, that's our flour mixed. Now I say what works really well with this as well. Half a teaspoon of chicken powder. Okay, so now I've said that, half a teaspoon chicken powder. Now I'm using Knorr. Give that a little mix in with our flour mixture, our seasoning. That is superb. Now you can put it in plastic and you can smack it with a hammer or rolling pin, or you can just butterfly it. We don't want all that thick chicken, but we do want that, like that. And that is how I'm going to fry my chicken, butterflied like that. Okay, so it's nice and straightforward. So they're roughly the same thickness. Now, like I say, you could have put it in plastic and give it a smack, but is it worth it? Not really. Now we're going to set up a very quick breading station. Except we're not breading it, we're flouring it, but you know what I mean. In there, our seasoned flour. In here, our buttermilk mixture. In this bowl, ordinary room temperature water. Not cold, not anything, just water. Chicken in flour, in there, back in the flour, in the water, in the flour. Okay, let's do it. Chicken. In there. Dry hand in there. Shake off in water. Out of there in flour. Little shake off in water. Out, back in the flour. Little shake off. Again, chicken, flour, buttermilk, flour, out of the flour, into the water. Leave it a little second. We want the water absorbed into the flour. Chicken, flour. Chicken, water. Chicken, flour. Shake off. Tray. Job done. We need to be heating up our oil and we're going to fry our chicken. So this is ready. Now we're taking the chicken, we're laying away from us. So nice and steady. Lay away. So we're just letting it fry until we see a bit of goldiness around the outside. When we get that goldiness or golden edge, we'll turn it over. Fry this side. Come on, let's flip it over. Nice and steady, over it goes. A little cooking on that side. Now, if you have to turn it back again, turn it back. Let's get it turned back over. Oh, looky here. Fabulous. A little bit longer on here, and then we're going to stick it on a tray on a rack. It's got to go on the rack to drip. Everybody covers it in kitchen towel and to soak up the oil. Stick it on a rack, let it drain, it stays crispy, serve it up. So that's us. I think we can get the flame off and we can get the chicken out and we can drain it. On there. Look at that beauty. On there with our chicken. Oh, and we want some of that country gravy. We want a bit on there and we want a lot round there. Now I'm not going to smother it all the way up to start off with because you not see the chicken. But we got a mashing of gravy going on there. Okay, fried chicken, come on. So there you go, fried chicken. Listen to that crunch. That's crunchy on there. We got this lovely country creamy gravy on some mashed potatoes. Now that is Texas comfort food right there. Let's come in here and look at that. We got crunchy chicken. Perfectly cooked. Oh wow, let's go for it. Hear that crunch. Oh wow. In here, a bit of that gravy on our chicken. Oh come on. Oh, a little bit of Texas comfort food right there, and a variation on Susan's recipe. That is sensational. That is fantastic. Lovely creamy gravy, mashed potatoes, fried chicken fried. Texas, here we come. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Don't forget, tell everybody how I made fried chicken fried. Southern style, Texas comfort food. Catch you in the next video.